Welcome to RANsquawk's e-morning briefing for Thursday the 16th of July of 2009. Just taking a quick look around the markets. We've just got 8:30 now here in London, and a quick check over the overnight press articles. Starting off in Asia, the most notable piece of news there coming out on growth in China for the second quarter came out at 7.9%, above the expected 7.8%, and quite a big jump from the previous quarter of 6.1% growth. That has spurred some positive sentiment over in Asia. In terms of late yesterday, for those who weren't around, we did of course see the FOMC minutes. They did point out that unemployment may exceed the 10% level, something which we've heard out of pretty high-profile speakers such as Obama in the last few weeks. They did say there's particular concern on the scale in the US job market. The Fed also judged the impact of any boost to asset purchases as uncertain at the moment. They also had their latest quarterly forecast. They now see 09 GDP in a -1% to -1.5%, which is a slight improvement from the contraction they previously forecast. And for unemployment rate, they now see it 9.8 to 10.1, which is up from 9.2 to 9.6 in their April report. Elsewhere, ongoing in the US for Citigroup reports now. The company has said that the government agencies have ceased talking now with the company's board, and that management at the firm is evaluating their options. Citigroup says there's no appreciable likelihood of added government support, with latest news coming from CNBC sources overnight that the company Citigroup is most likely to file for bankruptcy on Friday. Elsewhere overnight, noting that Fitch affirmed New Zealand's AA+ rating, but their outlook was cut to negative from stable. Kiwi dollar did hit a session low on the back of that at 63.87 overnight. In terms of the UK, much of the press dominated by the jobs figures we saw yesterday. Unemployment is expected to hit 3 million after a record fall in jobs, wrote the Times. And taking a look then towards equities, we're in slight positive territory at the moment. Still the tech stocks being boosted in Asia, feeding through to Europe from those Intel numbers a few days back, benefiting. Financials also performing well in early doors. A couple of earnings we'll be looking out for in terms of during the session. Nokia is going to be the key one. Always a big mover for the Eurostoxx index. They're currently trading down 0.4%. We'll see them at 11 o'clock London time. In aftermarket, we'll have the likes of Accor and Carrefour reporting. And then from the US today, JP Morgan, they'll be due at 11:30. We'll see whether they can follow suit on those good numbers from Goldman Sachs earlier in the week. We'll see IBM and Google reporting aftermarket today.